Hi guys, welcome to Workout Wednesday with Dr. Obels. So today I'm going to be trying out the ankle weights for the first time. So I see a lot of fitness enthusiasts go out to buy fitness accessories without necessarily researching on how to use it, when to use it, and even when to avoid it. Like all fitness routines, accessories, and equipment, doing them and using them is not just enough. It is important that you know how to do them and use them correctly, because failure to do this will not only result in lack of results, but may also result in you having an injury that may even make you immobilized. Now, if you can't afford an ankle weight, I will quickly show you how to make one using things that you can find around you.
We'll need a pair of socks, shoelace, the filler, which can go from sand, rice, gari, and even beans, which was what I used. You'll also need a scale to measure your weight so you don't overdo it. As you can see, the weight I used here is 0.5 kg. I'll do 7 workouts, but first off, let me move around and do some warm-ups to see what it feels like. Okay, not so bad. So let's start with skipping different variations. As you can see, it is important to fasten your lace properly to your ankles to avoid it falling off your feet, like in this case. We'll also try it with squat jack alternate floor touch, cross jumps, squat jump, bicycle crunches, leg raise, and sit-throughs.
Okay, wow. My advice and conclusion would be for workouts that will involve lots of jumping and running, try to avoid using it continuously, like using it every day, so you don't wear out your ankle joints and your knee, because it may be too much pressure if you have to use it every day. For your core workouts like bicycle crunches, leg raise, sit-throughs, I will highly recommend it because it really adds this extra resistance to your workouts, and I think it just helps to produce faster results. These weights are extra force added to your body. It will generally cause you to have more endurance and also burn more calories. As you can see how I'm sweating with just how many minutes of workouts. For workouts that involves jumping, like the squat jump and the cross jump, these weights will definitely help to strengthen your calf muscles, your hamstrings, your quadriceps, and also your glutes. I would advise you to avoid using ankle weights if you have injuries to your knees or to your ankles, or if you also have any gait or postural abnormalities, which are walking problems and standing difficulties, because these weights definitely adds extra pressure to your joints. Try not to throw caution into the wind. If you have any chronic illness or you have any postural abnormalities or any injuries to your joints and your muscles and your bones, please try to talk to your physician first to get clearance to do any kind of workout, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification, and I'll see you next week Wednesday.